that time again. The delay, that's insane. Mute the TV, because it's sometime, I think it was like reverbing back. Hi! Hello! Happy Wednesday! It's Wednesday the 19th of May 2021, and we are here with Tadashi. And we still have our project to ship. If you've been following for the last couple of weeks or months, we have been doing we have been doing one of my side projects called Soulection Tracklists from Soulection, and I got a whole bunch of bugs and edges I need to fix on this for the shipment, which we're going to do this Friday. I've told the guys that I'm shipping this Friday, so we're going out. I've been saying that for weeks and weeks, saying that we're going to ship, and it's not happened. But I'm sure we're going to do it this week. So, big shout out to Hex. Hello, Hex. Crazy Kitty. Hope you're doing good up in Norway. Hope the weather's starting to turn decent for you guys. The weather is sunny here in Manchester. It's right enough the place. So we're going to have a light daytime stream all today. We'll be on for about 2 hours, because little man needs to go on out, and I didn't queue up a video for a break if we need to go for, so it might be the same video from last week. Or I could try and find another video quickly to fit in that spot. But hey, so someone's sitting looking up. That's awesome, great news. Shipping this Friday, you say? Yes. So let's have a little look, see at what's going on. So that's Tadashi. That's what's going on. Tadashi is eating the hoof right now. He's pretty happy and content over there. And we're about to start up our servers. This is the site right now. Soulection.com is the site which we're going to be replacing this week. So it's at the moment just a scroll for ages of content. It's not really been updated for a while. Local host 3000. Is this online? Are we online? Yes, we're online. So this is the new site. It's nice and shiny with nice intros. It's happening. There's a real nice set of yeah. I'm really enjoying this look of this site. Thank you very much to our designer Dorian. Big hello to you if you're tuned in silently on. Big hello from Discord side. He's been doing an absolutely phenomenal job getting all this stuff in. He's been working on this project since 2019 as just like a side thing, and we've made it a reality. That's what it is. He needs to update his profile very quickly because we're shipping. We are going to the moon with this. So the things which we need to sort out, we have a whole bunch of issues on our GitHub page, which I want to try and get through. I've not seen these if it's anything which is less than 6 days ago. I've not seen. So certain ones which I need to address like as a priority, which are P1s, and yeah. So we're gonna try and get through as many as those today. So thank you very much for tuning in with me today. How are you guys doing? I forgot to ask. X, how's it going? You know that the weather's starting to brighten up. How's your coding going with the PowerShell? I know that you've been hitting that quite a bit. How's Crazy Kitty's education? She's studying. Last time we checked in, she was trying to learn some code. Hopefully she's continuing on with that. It's pretty awesome to see people doing that. Really awesome. So I hope you guys are doing really good. Also, big shout out to Matt, who might be tuned in silently as well. Yeah, just pop in and chat, say how you are, say where you're coming from. We'll give you a big shout out. And of course, if you've got any projects for me to check out, we always like to check that out on this stream as well. So, yay. Where was I going to start? Oh, let me say, a little less coding these days, a few weeks. Had until cert had to get done. Oh, certification. Doing good. Awesome. It's great to hear that she's doing great on her studies. Great stuff. and I really hope that you're getting out to see some of your beautiful country as well. I'm jealous. I'm jealous of Norway. Norway is it? It was Norway. Maps. Let's go on. Let's have a little zoom out. It's either Norway or Denmark. It's definitely Norway, isn't it? Yeah, it's Norway. And I forget you recommended me some really beautiful places, which I do have saved on my different account. We will visit one time. Europe makes me laugh with this shape. Well, England looks like it's an old lady, cackling old lady who's giving you apple, and there's her feet down there, and I don't know, her little hands. Anyway, we digress. Let's go on here. We're gonna find like the P ones, yeah, because they have been a kind of prioritized as one. So I'm gonna have a look on here. Radio hero section. Let's have a look. So there is a change to this which we want to ship out. Yeah, I need to get some logos for that. And I'm gonna move that down. Oh please! Oh, I'm not changing that again. I don't like sweeping changes. Okay. I'm gonna stash that one. Let's have another look. Let's have another scrummage through hero typography. Let's have a look. See. Good. Oh, we want to change the typography of that. Oh, we're not going over the text. Let's get ahead of it. Cortex and mobile scale up to 4. Work on the screen. So cool. That's an easy fix. Let's go. Let's go with that one. So then it's going over to. It's going to be in components. Where is it going to be? I forgot. Site? Nope. Content? Nope. I've totally forgotten where. I'm on the wrong project right here. See? Admin.tracklist. We'll get to the admin part in a minute. There's a lot of work to do over there. It's pretty much the same project, and that's actually booted up. Let's have a look. Localhost 3002. It's an admin panel. It'll send me a link, and I need to go and grab that from my emails in a minute. Unless I'll just refresh the page. Does it plug me in? Yeah, it's not saved. Okay, so we're on the V4 Nuxt, and it is, here we go. We have Decade of Legacy, Events, Hero. It's the Hero section because we have this YouTube video, and we want to change this text to Cortex. It's actually font bold, so here we'll do font header. I named it instead of Cortex just header, and that should, in not that one, this one. Wait for it to go boop. Boop. We booped it. And we want to uppercase. So we're gonna pop that uppercase. We need to change the sizing now. So this is gonna be standard size, medium, or just text and D. Oh, that's the wrong one. That'll be 5XL. Let's go for 2XL. See how that size is. Too small. 3XL. Let's make it. And I did like it where it goes over the text. But what are you guys saying? Does it sound of tomorrow with the break in there? I can't guarantee the sizing of it that it's always in. Because when we change the size of this. What we'll do is reduce the size just a smidge. And don't forget to keep hydrated, guys. I'm liking that. I like that it's overflowing into the video. Yeah, it gives it some hit, some like just kind of something different than just fitting over there, especially when we're going over on different sizes. let's check out that's okay sizing. Oh, okay, mobile looks good there. Yeah, let's rock with that. Then we just do another check. We'll pop it into the mobile form. Ah, there we go. That's not good, is it? How are we going to do this? We'll enter wrap. Get those sizing right. Welcome to be a bit better. Yeah, that's looking alright, isn't it? Yeah, I actually want the welcome to be just a smidge smaller than the rest of it. Yes. That's good. So, we'll go with that. We'll fixes 140. Go. Being lazy with these commits. We just got so much to do. Right, next. That's done. We're not pushing it because each time I push it, it will trigger deploy, and it's best for me to push it all in one go and make sure it's working like that. So, the player arrow. Buttons causing too many troubles. Keeps breaking. I think it should admit it to base. Interesting. Yeah. I'm for that. It was optimistic. So when we go to a show, let's go and play a show. It's broken over there, and in mobile view, that's arrow. It's probably just better to get rid of it. So, player display. That's the ticket there. I think there's two of them. Player display. Or might just be one. Gone there. Yeah, I'm for that.
Future beats.
Why did I close that? It was starting to make a noise. Cursor keeps changing to point handed. Yep. Let's close that one off. So, this was fixes. One for remove layer arrow. Making things much cleaner. Oh yeah, let's check in on with Tadashi. How he's doing. He's still over there. He's doing on his booth still, looking out the window like a good boy. Next, home. We did that. Let's keep looking. There's a log of this. Player arrow. We did that. D1. Here we go. Another one. Component text hierarchy. Okay, so you want to flip it. So in this case, we go to records, and we have until sunshine. I do. Oh, right. And then on the home page, it's the wrong way around. There we go. So, home, records. Oh, he's gone. Please don't make a mess. Oh, we need some water. Shall we? We need to give him some water. Is this what you're looking for? Keep him hydrated as well. Let's pop it over here. include this. It's going to flip that record because that tree which he's has. I think that treat is a bit salty or something. So he always needs to have a bit of a drink. It's these which we're going to flip. I want the... Yeah. I was just looking at it then and thinking, why did I link out to the artist? So in this case, we have Luval, which we can link to the artist, but there's nothing really there at this moment in time. So I might just I'll keep it as is. It's this little hidden. It will come prevalent later. At the moment, it doesn't have a link there. And the artist page should understand that there's records or releases. So I'm gonna have to create a new issue. I'm gonna have to log in on another profile. I have one screen for streaming and one screen, one Chrome profile for other things, just so then when I'm logged in something, it doesn't log in automatically when I'm on stream. It saves me an embarrassment. It's a P2 thing. Or I'll just put it as on artist page includes selection pieces. Example, file. So I'm just going to kind of capture this. Oh no, the window. There it is. Pop that in there. That will remind me of what I was thinking. Very simple. It's on the move again. He just wants to be close to me. It'll be close. So now we fixed that ordering. We can close out that tick off. Cool. Thank you, Dorian, for reporting that. Let's add that in. Fixes. This, home page, hero, records, hero, assist, artist name. Where's he at? Cool. So our deployment strategy for this Friday, we've kind of said like what's going to be shipping is the site as it is with the fixes we're doing today, and we also have a package of social media assets. So Instagram stories and posts which we're going to provide to the team. So then when we ship it, they can market it, and it's just an easy shipment because we've spent a lot of time on this project. We want to give it the best launch as possible, and of course follow me on my Twitter and Instagrams for the release. It should happen around 12 UK time, 1 European time, or 4 AM Los Angeles time. Depends when I get to it on my lunch break. So back to our code. That's done. Thank you. And we've got to go over to records main component. I'm going on currently for can spot the difference. Is it just the sizing of the title? So change. Oh yeah. So make the title a bit condensed and the album-y stuff. Actually, come on. Starting to do that wondering thing where we don't know whether he's going to make an accident or not. He needs to make an emergency rush to the store back in a bit. Awesome. Hope you get all you need from the store. X. So we're going to, yeah, you can see the color difference of these, and there's a bit of a hard coding issue there, which I'm not yet fully fixed, which I should. That's down to data. So we've got the not homepage record. Maybe. Here, formatted date. Yeah, we got it in a few different places. Nice spot, mate. So the album's header, it's going to be on that, and it's going to be. Also going to be on pages, artists, not artists, pages, records. Yeah, there we go. Did I do it hard coded? No, I did not. It's albumless. So, albums. Over there. He keeps leaving the space. It's become Buddy's first few weeks a little bit complicated when you have a little doggo who's chewing through all your leads and absolutely ham. What are you barking at? We're going nuts with everything. I'm just going to pop him into his crate. Come on. Now for a little bit, and then maybe at the top of the hour we can take a little quick walk. Okay, go. Yeah, it's become a little bit difficult when you want to do a live stream and you have a dog which is very, you can't control everything. And he's not yet calm for a while. And he's got a whinge in the background now because he wants out. Suddenly got warm. List item, header, here we go. We can do the header one because we have this text opacity going on here. And we can grab that and go here. Album type. Calm down, mate. I think what I'll do is I'll omit the album type for a while. Just because that's not implemented. So let's go over to the records page, records at selection, and you can see the date. We we go over to here, and that's the same. So let's have a look at, what is it, the title. Let's change it to a tight spacing. So tracking. Quiet. Gotta do what we're gonna do. Dude wants to go out. He's desperate for a wee now. So, well, let's have a look. See, what can I do? What can I put on? For a video to pop on, which is going to need a little bit of time. It's going to be another riding duck day. So, I'm just going to pop the be right back and pop the video in, and then really go take little man out for a quick toilet break. This very well always wants to go out. Here we have my 2007 Jeep. Had a real great fun on, and I thought I'd do some simple meters on it. Pretty good. Right, okay, sorry about that. We'll pause the music on here. And I forget how to, I'll just pop. Can I switch that off? I can't. Okay, enjoy this this video. I think it should last a little bit longer, otherwise we'll be on dead air, but cool, enjoy. Here we have my 2007 GSXR. Had a real great fun on track the other week, and I thought I'd do some simple maintenance on it. So I'm going to target this temperature right here, 87 degrees Celsius while going around. I think that's pretty good. We're going to do a complete clean, flush and refill of the coolant. So first of all, I'm going to get up on a stand. Got this nice paddock stand which is engine mounted, so it can be nice and even. Take off these fairings, because the only way you can get to the radiator and coolant is by taking a fairing. So we've got the crash bungs, could take off here, and on the other side we have that. Got to undo all the screws for the fairings and snap off any of those bits, and it should clip out like that with a little bit of assistance, and we can now clip off the fairings. This gives us all access to the bike here. We've got the radiator and the coolant overfill. We're going to find the lowest point on the bike after removing the coolant cap, and I think this one's the lowest point, so I'm going to undo the screw and allow the coolant to pour out. Now that the system is completely empty, we're going to refill the system with some water and some cleaner just to give it a few flushes out before we add in the new coolant. We're going to run a heat cycle on the bike, so we're going to allow the bike to completely heat up till the radiator kicks in, and then allow the bike to cool on down. After allowing the engine to cool on down, we've got to empty out that coolant again. We're going to flush the coolant system out a couple more times until I'm satisfied that it's completely empty. Now I've flushed the bike out multiple times, I'm going to start refilling the bike with some coolant. I'm using 50-50 here, so I can just pour it straight in without having to pre-mix it. And we're going to fill up the reservoir, making sure that we go to the fill line as the bike is cool. And there we go, the coolant is completely replaced, that's one job done. And I'm looking forward to the next things need to do on this bike, and the next time we get on track. It should be real good fun. I think I have to investigate this a little bit more. And we're back, I think. Sorry about that. Got the music back on. So leave you hanging. He was bursting to go out for a wee, and then the lifts were delayed. But we're back, and we're going to continue on trying to crack on through this. Over there. Such a absolute annoyance that sometimes happens. So I forgot where I was. Records, tracking. So TailwindCS, context switching when dealing with this. So font tracking, width. Wait. No. Anyone else got the clue of... letter spacing. And it's going to be tracking tight. So, yeah. Context switching and trying to do work or side project when you got one of these is very tough to try and keep your mind on what you was working on, and so you're buzzing at like a whole different level to keep things rolling. And I want to check on records. There we go. I guess that's fine. What's asked for? Ship it. How many of you guys have pets? Dogs, cats, fish, dinosaurs? Let me know. How are you getting on with it? Or I guess maybe you're past the puppy phase. And I just realised music is not on. Thanks for letting me know. Sorry for the explosion of noise there. Turn that down. Yeah. Anyone got pets? Children? That's good. And being able to try and do anything is probably the hardest thing, I guess. I don't know what it's like being a parent to a human pet. But doggo here definitely makes me yeah. Okay, so we fixed that issue. Next, content hierarchy, records, make on. We did that one, didn't we? So play button for show radio. Also the play button on newest shows. It's always acting like a page link. Oh, it triggers. Why is this a P1 issue again? Oh, we've got a video here. Oh, so you said you're saying that we should not absolutely say, hey, go and play and go to the show. The same behavior as when we go and click on this. That's the only place where it does that, except from this other place, play the show. So it's not really a P1. So can you solve the fact that play the show while navigating to the show? Link rather than focusing on the player. I probably should push some of these tickets down because I've lost track of where I am at. I think this one closes this issue. Yeah, I did. Home player button. We just explored that one. I don't think that's a P1. I'm going to lower that because it's not absolutely urgent. Forget I can't use on this account. Tracklist, top of page accounting, top of page account for no video. I don't want to do too many sweeping changes to a working design. We do have listen on. Oh, is this for the 500 page? I'm confused now. Oh, so the Counting 4 video in there. So we've got to put a video in this space. Do I have the videos? I don't think I've got that data. Got to hold off on that one for a second. Is there any more? Keep the border, great indicator. Okay, the active state on that one. This one is like, is it possible to keep the bottom board on the active hover on the active state? Straight indicator of the page. And I think that makes sense that you're on the records page. Yeah, cool. Let's go with that. So we're going to go over. Oh, hello all 3 viewers from Twitch. How you doing? And I got another one person, I guess, on YouTube. Big hello, welcome back. We took a little bit of a break a second ago. We just had to take the doggo out for a wee, but we're back. Curious about the doggo? There he is. Looking cute as always. But also confused. Been a bit. He's in his teens now, I think. So he's been being challenging compared to his cuteness as he once was when he was so young. So we got this site navigation navbar. Here we go, and we've got navbar items. We've got this active class. So I'm gonna go over here and see what is our hover order. Do you have one? There it is. We're just gonna steal that. I'm gonna pop it into here. Hopefully that fixes that. Is this a clue? No? Do I need to bring in some more? Okay. Yes, I need to. So, not all of that. Let's grab this. We'll pop that over here and remove the hover state. Oop. And hover state there. Are we not? It's not happening? Border, opacity, there's... Confused why it's not giving us on, say, this page. So I was wanting to be transparent. So let's get rid of that. Oh, come on. There we go. Finally. We needed to override the kind of breakpoint version of that. show. Still says, yeah, cool. I like that. Actually, I want to make the opacity a little bit darker. Oh no. And a mobile version of it, that's fine. We'll roll with that. Just to kind of continue rattling off these fixes, number, nav, bar.
Yeah.
Oh, and Dorian sent a message in just a few moments ago on the footer. He wants the designed by, and also by Passion with and maintained independently. I removed the love sections. So we fix the footer. I'm being very lazy with my commit messages. Because I'm not in the mood. Come on. Come on, big doggo. Go on over there. There. Yeah. Sometimes you get in the mood and it gets awkward. Oh, where are we at? I'm going to continue writing through as many of these as we can. Track links. Come there. Come on. They're either going to be over there, or you're going to be in a crate. Moved him into his crate again. Because he was determined to come this way, so in there he goes. So I can continue trying to do some work. Let's add some tiles, available and unavailable. Okay, let's change some. So that's on, say, go to the track. Track. Oh, pages, track ID, track link. Yeah, that makes sense. Track link. And what else am I looking for? Search on 1 second. Motorman's been given too many freedoms, and he's pushing his luck. So he's also pushing my temper while trying to do something. So I had to put him to bed and reduce the stimulus so he can rest. Probably, like in Terrible 2s or teenager, they need rest, and if he's not getting rest, then they need to go to bed. And that's a track link. We're going to try and get through this. I'm going to be quiet for a little bit, but do feel free to message in, say how I'm doing. Really don't know what I'm looking at, or where this section of the code is. I've forgotten where it is. Oh, it's right here, right in front of me. That is capacity, I think that works. Unavailable, and I want the margin up be slightly different. There. And want the font medium. Okay, cool. We did a little thing. Fix it. Search. And available. Tracklist typography. What is it to be? Heck is that noise? Show title. So what are you complaining about? Okay. Well, show title, then the description and the date. Okay. Episode list item. Move formatted date down. Job done. Not exactly, because we have a few more. Cut up my M bottom 2, and we'll do the bottom 2 there. And we'll have class text. Make sure it works on mobile. It looks pretty terrible on mobile, actually. Is it because the artwork is a bit too powerful? Trying to override the sizing of that, see if it looks any better being any smaller, but min width. Well, I'll leave it as is. It's been fine for now. Also, bring the tracklist header filter down underneath the hero section of the old tracklist. That's given that we have this in place, and the problem with this arrangement is we'd have to do the work for not only track lists, moving it down, but records, because it's got the title, and I just noticed that there's a big spacing issue there. You know what? I'm actually even thinking of just getting rid of that hero section. What does it look like we've gone? And we'll put the margin top there. And I want to see where is the records. What do I do? Margin top. Margin bottom 6. Yeah, I'm gonna ship with that. And I'll bring back in the 'cause we didn't really get much copyright from the guys. So I also need to do this pattern fix on this type page. And I need to check pagination. Pagination's not working on those pages. How about, have I broken pagination? No, it's only on pages which don't have need for pagination. But it's still not working. As expected. Oh, fun. Don't like it when things aren't working as expected. Counter's not right either. That's interesting. Why is it not working? Pagination. That's a major bug. Does it happen to be only on the tags version? Yeah, it seems like it's only on the tags version. I just realized. The pagination one. Like 3 pages which are identical but not exact to make the track list work. That one worked. I think it's this. High panel. When the page changes, it's not picking up the new page. Just playing spot the difference to see how I can fix that little tiny bug. So just copy that and paste it all in here. Selection radio. Let's go down to the bottom. And we're not getting that new page. Type page. Nuxt reload page on prams. Remember there being something where you could watch for the change and refresh the reloads async data. There it is. And watch, put in its prompt page. I think it might be that. Nuxt watch root. If that's the ticket, let's have a look at that. Or is that for the fetch? Refresh the page and give it another try. Should see these pieces of work changing. Like, it's getting through the new shows. It's just not replacing it on page. Yeah. Higher level? Isn't that the give this a try. Yes, okay. Refresh the page, then try and navigate. Bombs the work. Oh, come on. Let's be full on aggressive. Watch through everything. Do it. No dice. It's actually quite a deal breaker bug. going to turn it to a function. And see what's in this data. New query. I just return true whenever the thing changes. It actually might be this something up here. And so console log loaded page, and I have a feeling I'm on the wrong. Yeah, that's not going to work on there. Being everything there that's not actually that page doesn't really work. Watch query true. This underscore type is what picks up everything beyond that. And I was hopeful that that would fix it. Ah, nope. Hey, Crazy Kitty, how's it going? Long time no see. You've not been on the stream for a while. It's great to have you back. While you're watching me completely lose my mind. Pretty much every week, isn't it? Come tune in to Kyle losing his mind, especially now with Doggo, which he's in his cage. There's no more Doggo entertainment at the moment because reduces stimulation. I cover him over. Little dude, hopefully at some point he'll grow up and he'll not need to go out for a wee every bloody hour, so I can get some work done and put some food on the table for us. Ignored event logger. That's alright. Oh. Oh, you me both. I'm so exhausted. Conked out on the couch, spaced out. It's for me to do these streams. I have to get this code done, but I am exhausted. My temper is low. I'm prevailing through it. But I know after this, I'm gonna order myself some Deliveroo or local delivery of food because I cannot be bothered cooking. My kitchen's a state right now. You don't want to look that way. I'm not even going to show you. I'm prevailing through all these, and I just found a bug, and it's really annoying me. And it gets me down whenever I find a bug. But hopefully, your studies are going that well that you are exhausted because you're getting a noggin in a working state, and the actual end goal is going to be super. It's going to be amazing that you'll have a career in software, and the dopamine release from when you get something working after spending half an hour, hours on it is the best. Solving problems is generally so addictive, but the fight to go through those problems makes you want to question life sometimes. Yeah. My delivery tonight will usually be Greek gyros, vegan gyros. It's a very easy one which I choose. Just boop boop, there go in. I sometimes like a pizza, but I save that for the weekends. So tonight will be gyros from a place called Anthenium. Can't pronounce it properly, but they do real nice plant-based gyros. Hope you guys are with some tasty food too. So tight. I lost where I was at. This with Nuxt, it likes it all the way up to here, and then when you start saying, hey, this is going to be a custom thing, and then this one's also going to be a custom thing, it's like, no mate, I'm not going to I don't understand. And it's just bails out. So we got our initial load, and then when we change page, when we hit one of these, boop, it doesn't like it. I don't know whether it's down to this ounce. No function matches the given name. I thought I'm sure I created that. Tags, plural, count. So filtered, where's our tag? Alright. Tags counts, because there's a bunch of them. Even though they don't really have any effect on it now, it will save us having that error. I wonder if that was causing... Nope. I don't even know what page it's page is trying to push to. That's our ticket there. Let's have a little look see. Let's open up that, and it's not query. Towards goal. Well, yeah, this goal is we're meant to be deploying this weekend, this Friday site. I'm just trying to rattle off any last little bugs. Let's just watch all the learning and improving. It's good. Always be learning. It's like it's just not picking it up at all. stressing me out. Oh, I know what I might be able to do to get me out of this little tiny rut is router. Let's open up the router and inspect what routes are available to us. Hopefully it should have found potential routes. Or not. We'll spend another 5 minutes on this bug, and if I can't find or yield any source to it, I'm going to just completely leave it, open it up as a ticket, and leave it as is. Nuxt async data route. Route should absolutely exist. And it's route without a dollar. There we go. So this is what we're trying to get into, because we've done this type and this page one. This type. Oh, it's matched two types. If you just tuned in, I'm working on getting pagination. You see I'm on page 10, and this content should change. If it reduced down, this content should have changed, but it hasn't. And I'm working on figuring out why and where this issue is. hint of it is that we're going into a particular route which we've matched. And it should be this, and we should be able to pluck out page from the kind of path objects, query, params. So root.params should be something which I can query against and watch for changes. Just going to refresh the page. We have the right content for this page. We go down to the bottom. I click this button. Nothing is happening. I'm not getting the log. Even though I'm asking to say, hey, root, params, you've changed. Oh yeah, hasn't detected that. Scripts. Let's go one level higher and see it from the layout, if that's even a thing. Ah. Yeah, it doesn't like it there. Let's give this a try again. Okay, we're abandoning this. I did say 5 minutes. I'm going to save my sanity, revert the stuff I was trying to do. Stage these lines. Revert select lines. I'm going to stage these. Stage. And stage that. And stage this. Yeah, we're disabling the hero for now. Yep, and stage those. Close some things down. And I'll undo this change, but I'll stage this because this is a bug fix. I forgot what it was. It was not the hero section. Near enough. Tracklist typography fixes. Kind of guess. So fix it. That. I'm gonna give it a push now because I've forgotten what I've checked off. Artist page nav. Did I add that in? That's probably a very easy fix. Go into a tracklist page, go into the episode, go into creation, for example, go into one of these. Yeah, so what's the place one is a bit confusing, given that we use this Hey, where are you coming from? That. What's this? One. Subnav title. Confusing to have it twice. It has to. It complains when I don't have one. I can have an empty one, but it looks a bit weird. And getting the counts. I think I might be able to do that. Was I good enough to do it as I did? Parents count, yeah. Got there in the end. Turn appearances. Probably should make that as a translation. In a moment. Back ID exposed to me. On markers, maybe unique markers. There we go. If I throw in unique markers, length there, 10 tracks. Yeah. It's not a full fix. But it's a little bit cleaner, I guess. Did I push and actually close them? Yeah, closed an hour ago. Oh, cool. Release date format. Oh, is the format different on your machine? Should be this format. On my phone, it seems like there is changes number based on. I can't really control that. I don't think I can. Let's go over to. Let's see if we can control that better. So. The filter. So util. Maybe? No? Component. Let's have a look. I want to go on home and shows and a formatted date. How I'm doing formatted date is asking for the US long style. And if that's not working on some devices, I'm gonna have to do a different date format, and I did not want to bring in a formatter for that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that lower priority. size of the buttons are mobile. Let's have a look, see. So I'm going to bring up a mobile device here. Works okay for my sizing. Yeah, I would say that the logo would look nicer on the center as well. Oh, I don't want... I'm getting lazy now. I'm getting hungry and hangry. And thus... sort of... Okay. I'm gonna have a sweep through the site for anything like the contact page. Which I've fixed up there. I was meant to deal with that. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys the admin page. So I said with this, and I need to pop over to my other browser. Bear with me a second while I log into my email and grab that magic link. Now that we're logged into the dashboard, it's got nothing on the main dashboard, but we do have posts, which is not a thing at the moment. Shows. We have, which I should have released that one. Release it. Go into shows, in order by publish date. Publish there. And I just need to add in some data. SoundCloud. Selection. Grab it. Yeah. Grab a link address. Beep. Now that would have automatically gone up. There it is. Latest. I did save that, didn't I? Let's try again. Save. There we go. Play the show. We was looking at, where is it? Here. Where we was looking at shows, and should be able to do this, but I've not finished it off. So with this part of the administration, I'm going to fork the database, so I can edit and finish off this part. But the one thing which I did do have kind of working mostly is records and albums. And I was working through loads of these, and you can see on the right hand side these missing links. And it's a bit of a manual labor, so I do need to get them in, ideally before this Friday. So you're gonna join me with that, but feel free to throw into the chat anything you're feeling, and we can chat about that while we do some administration. Looks like Crazy Kitty is still learning and improving. Hex is super busy and has run out. I think Matt is on and Dorian. But yeah, able to answer your questions. While we go through, what we're going to do is we're going to grab this Cheru berries, which is here, and I should be able to grab these links and enable them here. How we usually do it is just grab it side by side, and we have Spotify, we choose that, we add provider. Now I can go over to here, and what you have to do is click on the link to grab that to paste it. Close that, and the same for each one of these. So do Pandora, you can open that, Apple Music, add a provider, Amazon Music, add a provider, paste them in. It's grunt work at the moment, but got to get it done. Title, this, and these. I can save that, and that's another one off the list. So if I go now to records, Cheru, we will now have those links in place. Next is Promise. One more Promise. So music, Scott, B, and this one. And again, sometimes I can see here, just right below, that is actual proper link, so I can easily grab those ones in. Sometimes they're kind of through a bit.ly link, sometimes they're not. So Spotify, and provider, paste that in. Same with Apple Music, this. Music. Once more. Press title. Deezer as well, and Pandora. No, not Pandora, Amazon. Okay. Next one on the list, Love is King. Got one. Okay, this one's a super easy one. This is just going to be a SoundCloud. I don't think it's listed anywhere else. It's on Spotify. Let's have a look. Hours spent loving you. Oh, that's such a good song. I'd love to be able to play that on here, but I can't. That's a really lovely song. Check that out. SoundCloud, let's add that in. I really hope that this is elsewhere. Let's have a look. See, there's Xavier Omar. I think it did get released. Yeah. Apple. And ours. There it is. have it. No, it's not on there. What other services? Amazon. It's close enough. It's on heat on this release. Must have got like re-released. I don't know whether it was released twice, one on Soulection and one not. We go next one, some short stories. So some short stories. This one is a custom page. It's a bit difficult to oh, they're actually uploaded onto the page as well. Download Gallery short stories. There it is. SoundCloud. Yeah, the admin panel is okay for now, but not perfect. Can be better. It's getting me by for now. Oh, we get Discogs. Oh, awesome! We got all of them. Edit. I think that's all we got for that. Maybe one day go back over them. Soulection. Google's usually a better source of links than the actual official website. But we're trying to fix that. Bandcamp, and in there, and sound. Like him, her. Oh, got Discogs. Oh, it's on vinyl as well. I'll go for the first one and that one. Was it on SoundCloud? Close enough. What else we got going on? So I've initially imported the titles and stuff. I just didn't import all the links. We have Bandcamp. We'll start. thought that would have been. I'll 3 years. I'll add an issue for that. 3 years mix tracklets. Not added in the Gumroads links. I'll have to go back over that and add those in for each of them. Just hitting off the very early ones because I've not got the Gumroad, displayed, and it's not in this list. Moment. Was there anything else? Let's have a Google search. Soulection thank you compilation. How you guys doing? Nice. Oh, you got a band count? No, that's the wrong. That's not the right thing. But I think I do have to add here. Oh, I've already done the 100k, have I? There is, yeah, we've done the 100k. So, JoDef, let's add that in. Steps. Cogs. Popping back, we have a S032. Body catalog. I think I've got it where it's updating the catalog. Let's go to albums and have a little look. See, so yeah, we do have the catalogs coming on in sometimes. There's our latest 32. Elevated by I Am Nobody. This is the old school manual way and how I used to do selection track lists. Just because these tracks are in weird places, and I'm not hooked my engine up to this records section. And I generally thought it wouldn't take too long to go through these one time. Cogs. It's got a few. This is S031. We're getting through them. We've got still a few more to go. Deepak. on a whole bunch of things. So that, Apple Music, Deezer, YouTube, we'll add that in, Bandcamp, and we'll add in all. YouTube Music, and for I'll just add it there. Bandcamp, SoundCloud, and oh, we've got quite a lot of them going in. Lovely. Next, expand it and see what's up next on the list. Close all these down. Then go off. Official release?
It's over 9.
No. Bandcamp, Discogs. Nope, that's not official. Oh, Bandcamp. Discogs. Oh, it's on Apple Music. Find. Let's have another look over here as well. Sango North. Yep. Sweet. Copy. Album. Brilliant. I think we've got a decent amount in that one. Those are these. Soulection time in between. Bandcamp, that's a good hit. And that one. This is a official.
Is HelloFresh worth the price?
Yes. Cool. Add in that. YouTube. Yeah. And SoundCloud. Go to SoundCloud. Bandcamp. Oh. Do I have track source in here? Yes, I do. Track source for the win. That's a win like that. What's next? Pictures of Silence. Oh, that was a real good album. Had to hit pictures of it on Silence. Bandcamp, Discogs, SoundCloud, I think. Track source, win. Go. That link still work? It does. Probably not going to afterwards. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of like redirects I need to put into place. Do we have Yes, we do. Close. Ooh, getting hungry. Yeah, I'm going to get to the end of this list, and then we're done for today. It's a good point to get to the end of this list. There was something which needed to be done anyway, so I'm using the time now because I'm not in the mood to code anymore. So a bit of data entry is going to feel like I'm in a good. Put me into a better mood. Happens. We've got a nice Last FM. It's been a while since I used Last FM. Still possible. We have a player on it from YouTube. Save. This admin panel has saved me so much time. If I had to do all this by editing this, I'd lose my mind. It would be doable, but having to type out certain things over and over again, nah, not right now. Dogs on Apple Music. Dog. That. No, it's not on Apple Music. Save. It's quite repetitive now. Don't even know how many I've got left to do. What's this? Rate your music. It's just a search engine. Discogs. And bang. What's next? Okay, so I've got about 10 or so left. Oh! Yeah, I'm the guard for all the work I put into this. Thanks, Sean. It's very much appreciated when when people come on and give me the appreciation for this. This is a big release for the new site, which is dropping this weekend. Hint nudge. There's so much in this. I'm just looking forward to just kind of getting it in everyone's hands. And I'm just finishing up so the last little bugs and stuff, make it even better, tasty. Selection, let's see. On Bandcamp at least, and maybe SoundCloud. Scroll through. Has he? No. Bandcamp it is. Yeah, I've not been on the Soulection Discord for a hot minute. Been so busy with this project and Duggo, my who's still in his cage. Well, I can't always be everywhere all the time. I gotta pick my time very carefully. And this project really taking a lot of my time. Down. Although some of these older Soulection releases are actually quite good. Brings you back to some of the earlier episodes. When you hear better sounds. This guy. Do that. What's next? This one. This is no problem. Inside. Discogs, Last FM, Road. Oh, please have some more sauce. You had the sauce? Some of these are so old that they've just gone away in time. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to link to random YouTube channels. I'm gonna try and make sure it's anyone can link to any random YouTube channels. Hey Larkshy, Bonsai, and nobody here, good efforts. There's a few people in the different chats across the place. On YouTube, there'll be 0 followers, but on Twitch we got 3 people. So yeah, we're we've got a few people across the different channels. Thank you very much for tuning in. We're just back in the right way with this selection track list. We've kind of finished off the coding section for today, and we're just doing some data entry. I'm going through this custom build admin panel I've got, and just doing a bit of a search for the links, because we've added in a feature of, say, this particular piece here. If I go on to records, let's go on down to binding page. There's no links. We're missing the content. So to make it a nice rounded piece, I want to make sure I got the content. Put that in. I'll check on the different channels where we can listen to the music. So add a data in SoundCloud. Oop, there it goes. And Bandcamp in, and Discogs. Don't think there's going to be any more for that particular artist. Are you also self-taught or your formal education? No, I'm self-taught. I've been coding since 2000. No, been coding since 1999. HTML, CSS, there's a bit of JavaScript then. So self-taught. In the 2000s, I learned Ruby, where a lot of my back-end work goes. So now, fast forward to 2021, I'm working with Shopify. Everyone's Shopify. Everyone's favourite online merchant store or platform, which enables, I don't know, millions of transactions. You probably have used a Shopify store before. We sit in the background quietly, and I've been working with those for over a month now, and I really enjoy it. It's been the biggest chapter of my life, along with becoming a doggo dad. He's in bed at the moment, so I can't see him. He's covered over because to lower the stimulus, because I'm talking and he's just like, oh, play it with me, and I can't right now. Oh, awesome! You started taking courses on Coursera. Awesome platform. I've not used formal courses, but I know that there's some great tutors out there. You guys have the there's so much great content out there now to help you leapfrog and jump into the industry very quickly. I had to learn the hard way by doing it, failing, and finding a solution to it. Not to say that all that's in vain, it was just a slower process. Now you can go from somebody who doesn't know how to computer to a software engineer in very short amount of time. With online courses, a lot of free content on YouTube, watching streams like this and asking questions and applying. I really recommend apply for interesting jobs and trial out your interview skills. And a lot of companies in software now, HackerOne, HackerRank, will kind of use a kind of HackerRank or CodersRank or something like that, where there's the algorithms. So do brush up on your algorithms of being able to kind of sort an array into certain patterns. So if an array is like a 1, 3, 4, and you need to reverse order that, there's loads of patterns in there, and it's a great learning resource to challenge you. Great to do on the evenings and weekends, because you will be challenged when you do software interviews. HackerRank is definitely a great resource for that. You're like an old man back in the day when My old man tells me that to pull the punch cards out. Yeah. Oh, that reminds me. Oh, I think the Amazon sound proofing phone came across one frame. Acoustic wall panels. I came across one which looked interesting, and it just reminded me, and I can't find it. Give me a second. I'll find it on, because I sent it to a friend just a few days ago. And he's saying exactly how to punch cards is. It's called binary diffuser. There it is. So this is acoustic soundboard, so you probably hear that there's a little bit of echo in my room with this, because it's just wall there, ceiling. It's not great. And I was thinking of getting these acoustic boards, and it looks like punch cards, which I thought was pretty cool. I asked him if it actually means anything, and it doesn't. I don't think it did. I don't think it does. I don't think it's an actual program. It's just a random series. But I thought they look pretty cool. But I've not yet taken the plunge with €100 or nearly £100 per panel. Yeah, no, not just yet. Soon, maybe. What am I saying? I'm also from accounting background. I don't know. I want to know more about software related career. It's struggling to solve them. Yeah. It's uphill. Uphill. There is some struggles, but there is some massive wins. Especially if you come from accountancy. If you're great with numbers, or you're not afraid of them, there's so many great jobs in data science. So figuring out how a large collection of data relates to some useful information, how many sales have happened, is a great background to come from, accountancy. But prevail through it. So you'll feel that it's overwhelming sometimes with the actual code. So at some point your mind will click of what you want to do. And then it's just down to the case of asking Google the right questions. So, if you're using JavaScript, you probably prefix with that, and then sort an array in reverse. And then you would come over to W3 Schools or Stack Overflow, which gives you a very useful hint. So you can. That's one clue of sorting it. Local compare is a great one. You got this these sort attributes, and it's great to kind of use this and then go through your code and give it a try with smaller sets of data. Also, unit testing is great. If you're if you're further on in your career with say JavaScript, you'd have Jest. Which is a great testing tool. Or you can even in your browser you can assert console assert some condition, which will make sure I'm true. Help. You can do it in just standard JavaScript. You can see here that this condition did not match, so it's saying insertion failed with the message of help. So yeah, it's very worthwhile setting yourself up with small sets of data and just sorting through them, and that's basically coding. That's all we do is sort data, take some data, bind it with some other data, and present it in a usable format. When you think of it like that, that is all the internet. What am I doing right now? I've got this booty leg from Nangdu. I've got a piece of artwork with it, and now I'm adding on links from around the internet from Bandcamp and SoundCloud to present this piece of data. So then it looks like this. It's usable. It's presented. So that is pretty much what coding is taking it and presenting it. A lot of money in it as well. Unbelievable amount of money. Definitely worth a hint, or give it a try, even if it's just for fun. There is a great deal of dopamine you get when you solve a problem. So yeah, we've got to continue going. We've still got Amazon. Call back moments. Discogs anywhere else? It's starting to get cold now. Yeah, there it is. So we'll grab the SoundCloud. And like, I've built these tools to make this data entry easy. So building your own web apps to kind of help you do your jobs. That's a real good starting point. Make a script where if you're finding that you're having to do something repetitive, ask yourself, how can you make this easier by using code, and try and get a smaller set of that. There's one little part which could make it easier. I do have a tool which does this kind of searching across the internet for another part of my projects, but I've not hooked up with this, so I'm doing it manually through this dashboard. So not always super easy. It requires I've got some patterns in my mind where I'm looking for this data, but it's not always in the most ideal location. Vimeo. I don't even have a link to Vimeo. So on YouTube. Oops, I guess it's going to be tagged onto YouTube. It's an old piece of data, it's fine, but it's not be exactly right. Forgive me. 8 years ago. How much content did they put onto Vimeo? Videos? 11. That's interesting. Let's have a little... Oh, that's quite nice. Why was that not on YouTube? What happened to like this angle of selection? That's pretty nice for a introduction to a piece of music, to give you some visuals to it. And I'm just stuck with academic sound. Ooh, that's the live version. Bandcamp. Let's add that. Team. What's this sound like? Is it a rehash of it? Oh well. Is it just Bandcamp? And there's this video to Vimeo. Oh, do I have to? Okay. I'm gonna have to go back over that because I should. How I'm gonna do this form? Is it in here? I don't think it's in here. Oh, it is. Here it is. Link options. Vimeo. And if I save the page, you should. Give me a link option. Or not. Vimeo should be in this list, but I'm a bit confused too as why it's not appearing in the list. Like that. This is the right form. We have tags, audio links. I'm trying to get the platforms in. Oh well, I'll just add it as a YouTube then. Copy link address. And I will go over to the database and fix that. And I should probably fix that last one, so we need to, where is the ID? Go to this column. ID equals the platform of Vimeo. Save that. It was this ID here. We've got to grab this ID, and I'll fix that. YouTube, which is Vimeo. Save. Cool. On to the next one. I forgot to look how many I've got left. Slowly getting through that one, this one. I'll check over there for one. Ooh, there we go. We got a good hit off. Bandcamp, easy. Bandcamp, add, insert. There you go. Discogs, let's go in. There you go. This has a Vimeo as well. Wi-Fi? Amazon Music, let's go. And do we have Apple Music? Oh yes, win. Save, and I need to. This is what we do. Where's the platform of YouTube? Fixed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 left. And then we're done for today. But feel free to ask me questions. I'll be happy to answer them. A little bit of a distraction from repeating all this. Not all of them are easily available. If they're not coming up in the top search of Google, it's unlikely that they're going to be in places. But if I see them in common places, then I'll dig a little bit deeper. But I'm not going to spend too much time finding it, because they're old. These are old releases. I'm just trying to get the data in play. That's a wrong one. Yes. No. One place. Daroshina. Oh, my light has died for today. I hope I can plug it in. There we go. That is saved, but for some weird reason the page is not directing. So we go to Sunwalk. We got nearly 10 left. Bandcamp. Is any other? Oh. Amazon? Apple? Oh, it's happening now. Let's add that in. Let's have a quick search on I was hopeful. Ooh, we got it. Spotify. Why is that failing? It's failing for some reason. Okay, fine. I'll keep that last page open. So we should be able to refresh this page and scroll down to the bottom and see that we're on Sunclef. We'll try and find adult songs. Bandcamp, Discogs, SoundCloud. So they are getting saved into the database, it's just that it's not redirecting the page at the moment. Oh, there's our Vimeo. It finally came through. Save. Oh, yeah. Now it's working. What can I suspect it? Kings. Discogs. Guess that's the only place it is at that. But I will check the selection. There it is. Bandcamp, at least. And there's a Vimeo teaser. Vimeo. Oop. There we go. And we've got a link here as well. SoundCloud. Save. They complained at me then. Oh, it's wanting me to. Oh. Refresh the page and come back to redo those links again. It does that sometimes. It kind of logs me out in the background and it doesn't fully tell me. So I try and save something and it's just like, no, I can't do that. I'm not gonna save it. I think that's all we have for that. Oh, we're getting so close to the end. Day selection. Oh, this one's rich. We have it in a lot of places. Dogs. We've done a Bandcamp. Spotify. Music. Amazon. This Deezer. Let's have a look, see if it's on there. Nope. Okay, we'll roll with that. 1. Lots of these tabs, so it's clean again. Cohen. And it's at outputs free. It's a Bandcamp. Discogs. That's the only things we've got now. I can go. Let's go in and Discog. Sango, trust me. Sango, trust me. YouTube. Oh yeah, Rich. Yeah, these are part of albums, but it helps. Oh, how close are we? We are 6 links away from the end of our stream today. So any more questions, any more messages of hope or love, that's getting your feedback on things would be great. I think this one got unreleased. Forward to sitting down after this as well. Been stood up. Need to take Tadashi out for a wee, my dog. A walk myself would be nice, and order myself some. What's the difference? Same. Spotify? Yeah. Oh, 4 away. Here's Space Kids. I think he changed his name since 2011. We're deep in the sticks. Bandcamp. I think that's the only place it is. Save. Oh, 3 away. Go far. Just got to plug that in. 2 away. Attack 2. Last one. Selection. I think it's going to be a band camp job. Yeah. No additionals. Band camp. Was it on SoundCloud as well? My keyboard. Hello. Oh wow, we are done. If I can go into records, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we have a bank. What was the ones which have there was a couple in here which had Vimeo. That one's Vimeo, so let's go and fix that very, very quickly. How I'm going to fix that is here, your platforms, and we have Vimeo. There's no icon, so Vimeo icon. SVG. Oh, cool. Is this? Yeah, there's the SVG. Done an SVG and skip. While I'm here, let's do it. Duplicate that side, bring in this. Because we're going to put oval in it anyway, we're going to make it full size and export selected. Just going to throw it to desktop, SVG OMG. Desktop. Just created it. Yeah, it's definitely there. Fine. Scroll. There. Why does Apple have a feature and then not support the feature? Anyway, we are. How I do my SVGs is I just kind of grab this D mark, go into my code, go up to site icon on here, and we have Vimeo, and further down here this dot icon triple equals Vimeo and return content of that icon. Boom. And when I restart the server instance, that title will be in place. So GG, good game. done. Push. It's going to quickly check on the GitHub that the action deployed. It did not. And what part did it fail on? Test. Got to really quickly figure out why that's not working. I know why it won't be working. Cypress integrations, support commands, maintain independently by yeah, that's what it would have failed on. And run a test. They're not putting a great deal of tests. It's something which I will definitely come back to. But I've got some tests which check a very simple happy path. Fix to test. So that I don't deploy a fatally broken part of the site. Outside. So we're done. We're done for today. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching me struggle through this week's coding. We are shipping this Friday, so check out the Twitter from the top for announcement on that. Soulection.com will be where we are shipping to. So yeah, check that on Friday, late Friday, if not Saturday. And of course, tune in next week when I will probably be fixing dramatic bugs and trying to make the site more performant when we realise that it is dramatically broken. But we're doing our absolute best as a one-man band me. So again, thank you very much for asking the questions, jumping in the chat, watching me codes, making me feel accountable to get this project done. With you guys watching me, I feel obliged to be entertaining and responsive and do things. Otherwise, I would have just sat and watched some Netflix, YouTube, and played with my dog. So, until next time, have a good week.